Hello everyone, my name is Talatu Usar from Nigeria. I am a certified eating psychology coach and also a practitioner of neurolinguistics programming. What got me interested in this training is the fact that I love health and wellness. I've always been passionate about helping people, and I got into the business of administering supplements to people. And of course, I attracted so much of people to me. They were all interested in losing weight, and I did a lot of experimentation with them. And I noticed that for some people, no matter what you do, they are just the way they are. So I got a little bit curious, like trying to look for answers, like we should have a relationship with food. And I dived deeper, stumbled on the website, Institute for the Food Psychology, and boom, voila, I'm here today. Going through this program personally has transformed my life. It has transformed everything about me. I was also battling with body image, and I didn't realize I was a chronic dieter until I went through the program, and it just met me like one-on-one and brought me to the realization that I've always been a chronic dieter because I calorie count, I'm watching what I'm eating, I'm always looking at some of the toxic nutritional beliefs that we've been taught. I've always seen food as an enemy, like, I'm hungry now, I don't want to add weight, Going through the training, I have let go of all those toxic nutritional beliefs. I see food today as something I have a relationship with, and I also have been able to work out lots of emotional issues that I've had, looking at the connection between the mind and the body and what we eat, and I've been able to build a healthy food eating rhythm. And for me, I lost over 10 kg just going through this training effortlessly. I used to be permit me to say, a gymholic. Like, I'm always in the gym. Usually we say workaholic, but I gym sometimes in the mornings, evening, twice a day, consistently. I'm lifting. But it's been a year now, I haven't been to any gym, and I'm happy. For me, of course, running a program online, I had this mindset like, I'm going to have so much time, it's going to be fun, I can just peep into my computer and just try to look at one or two things, but it's intensive. I'm always glued to my laptop, I'm always with my earpiece, my kids are like, Mommy, I'm like, no, this is not playtime, I need to concentrate. Mark is a fantastic speaker that he just keeps you glued to your system. You want to listen to him over and over and over again, and as you keep listening, you want to listen more. So it's a beautiful program, yeah. Professionally, this training has impacted what I'm doing. As an amateur, I have been privileged to be on a radio program out there in Nigeria. Specifically, Plateau State, Nigeria is big. Of course, we have about 31 states. So I was in Jos, Plateau State. We had this radio program called the Innocent Minds Radio Show, and it's just about empowerment, development, So I talk to young people, and we introduced the health segment where I started educating people about their health, saying if you don't spend time taking care of your health, you will spend the money you're pursuing maintaining your health. Going through this training for me has made it very easy to be able to communicate effectively with my listeners over there. Some of them will come to me for one-on-one coaching. It's just so easy. It's voila, Usually you're thinking of what do I do? What do I say to this person? Looking at the dietary intake, we've been able to learn from Mark. It's so easy for you to work with anybody. Right now, working with men is using the skill sets. It's easier working with women, working with children, working with youth, with young people. We're just being empowered by the Institute to professionally do our work excellently.